Did I already pack my cozy boots? Cozy boots.
Your item is in box 3.
I'm Stephanie Duchaine, and welcome to the CNET Smart Home here in Louisville, Kentucky. Now, I'm not afraid to admit I can be a little bit of a pack rat, but I know that getting organized can really help reduce stress and even reduce expenses, especially if I'm planning for a move. In fact, there are dozens of smart ideas to help plan a move, but also pull it off successfully. There are also quite a few apps and tech tools to make the job easier, but also make it easier to find your stuff faster. I'll share a few. The first thing I recommend is setting an achievable to-do list. This 30-day moving calendar from Travelers, our sponsor, can help you do just that. It's got reminders for things that are often overlooked, like making sure to recycle or donate old electronic devices. You know, like those old laptops and cell phones. It's also worth checking, by the way, if your belongings are covered by insurance while they're being moved. If you're doing the moving yourself, your policy may cover them. If you're hiring a moving company, ask what their insurance covers. Speaking of moving, there are many great apps out there that can help with packing and organization. I mean, writing on boxes with a permanent marker is so old school, right? And since everyone's got their smartphone at the ready, some apps provide scannable labels or tags for boxes. You put one on a box and then scan the QR code. Now the app opens up and you can speak the list of items you're packing in the box. Now I can ask the app, where are Grandma's candlesticks? And it'll tell me which box to look in. That information is stored indefinitely, so this works for moving, long-term storage, or both. There's more to moving than just packing and organizing. You gotta clean the place too. That's where my little vacuum robot rolls in and cleans each room as I finish packing. Vacuum robots can handle most floor and carpet surfaces, and some can even be controlled through voice-activated systems. Alexa, tell Nito to start cleaning.
Okay, starting the bot then.
Sure beats vacuuming and mopping. And even better, if it runs out of juice, some models can recharge themselves and keep working until the job is done. I wish I had that kind of discipline. For more smart tips about a successful move, visit travelers.com/homecentral.